Hey everybody, Crapshoot Creations here. Today we're going to be doing some soda ash. Here's a little trick, a little tip we picked up through all the time we've been making the THIZ, selling them at the market. Soda ash is pretty expensive online. What are you going to do? You can go to pool place, get it at the pool place, soda ash at the pool place. A lot of times they only sell it in big quantities. What we do is go to the local grocery store, get this stuff. Same ingredients as soda ash. 1 cup to 1 gallon of warm water. Shake it up vigorously till it all dissolves. In the real soda ash, you gotta do it pretty quick, or if you don't shake it up, it'll get hard on you. So shake it up. But yes, we use this. You can get 5 gallons out of 1 box. You do the math. Basically, what we do is we mix it up. We got our buckets over here, shirts for the market. 10 shirts per bucket, 30 shirts, so we're going to do 30 shirts today. This is what we use in substitute of soda ash. Same ingredients. Google or whatever you want to do. Believe me not. Well, I haven't had no complaints, and it's easy to work with. So basically, I got the mixture mixed up. I'm going to pour them in the buckets. Let them sit for a half an hour or so. While they're sitting, of course, you keep productive and do something else. All right. So I'll meet you out at the washing machine. So here we are outside at the washing machine with our homemade soda ash we got from the grocery store. You want to pick this up, we're going to save a lot of money. So what we did was put the shirts in here, and now we're going to have it on the spin cycle. Spin out the soda ash back into the bucket to save some money. Come inside here, dude, and check this out. What we're doing is we're spinning it out the washing machine, and we're going to save it in the bucket so we can reuse it for another batch. You see it coming out there? Hear that washing machine kicking? Got this off the website, flea market. Buddy Wayne picked up for us. That's what you need, a washing machine. Back up a little bit, dude. Show him the washing machine. Yeah, you want to get one of these. We picked this up for $50. Works like brand new. Alright. So anyway, you want to make sure you got your safety glasses on and your gloves. This stuff will dry out your hands. Basically what we're going to do is wait till finish spinning it out, shirts in the bucket, take them back, start spinning them up. So there you go. Save some money on some soda ash. That's what we do.